Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 5, where we bring you the most interesting and entertaining countdowns. Today, we're going to be discussing the top 5 most annoying sounds in the world. From nails on a chalkboard to the sound of someone chewing, we've compiled a list of sounds that will make your skin crawl. So sit back, grab some headphones, and let's dive in. First on our list are car alarms. While they're intended to alert people of a possible break-in or theft, they often go off when there's no threat at all. And let's face it, no one enjoys listening to a blaring car alarm going off for minutes on end. Next up is snoring. It's estimated that 45% of adults snore occasionally, and 25% snore regularly. It's a common problem, but that doesn't make it any less annoying to listen to. If you've ever tried to sleep next to a chronic snorer, you know just how frustrating it can be. Coming in at number 3 is the sound of someone chewing with their mouth open. It's not only gross to watch, but the sound it produces is enough to make anyone's skin crawl. This is why it's important to practice good table manners and keep your mouth closed while eating. At number 2, we have the infamous sound of fingernails on a chalkboard. It's a sound that's been used in horror movies to make audiences feel uneasy, and for good reason. The high-pitched screeching sound is enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. And finally, at number 1, we have a collection of sounds known as misophonia triggers. These sounds include things like lip smacking, pen clicking, and heavy breathing. While they may seem innocuous to some, for those with misophonia, these sounds can cause intense feelings of anger and frustration. And there you have it, the top 5 most annoying sounds in the world. We hope you enjoyed this list, or at least tolerated it without any of these sounds nearby. Let us know in the comments which sound you find the most annoying, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more top 5 countdowns. Thanks for watching.